children, I Rehana Kasri representing Bright Star International School Bilimora would like to explain you the topic fields and fancies of maths subject in maths textbook page number 149. Now today I am going to teach you chapter 13 fields and fancies. Rahmat is a farmer. He grows wheat in his field. Now Rahmat thought, I need a fence around my field. How much wire should I buy? I need a fence around my field. How much wire should I buy? Rahmat needs to find the length of the boundary of the field. Can you find it from this picture? See the length of each side written near it. Okay, now we have to see Rahmat is measure of the boundary. So how much that is the length? So he purchase of wire. He purchase of wire for the fence. So first here is the boundary is the 9 meter. Then here this side is the 50 meter, this side is the 9 meter, this side is the 50 meter, this one side is the 21 meter and this one side is the 9 meter. So boundary is equal to first here we have to take 9 meter plus then 15 meter plus 21 meter plus 9 meter again 9 meter. Okay, so how much the total? Okay, so we have to write this type 9 then 15 then 21. So writing here 21 and again last is the 9. Okay, now we have to add of all this side. 9 plus 5 means 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 9 means 24. 2 is our carry. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 54. So write here answer 54 meter. Okay. Now Rahmat say, oh, the boundary is the 54 meters long. The boundary is the 54 meters long. Rahmat bought a roll of 70 meter wire for the fence. Rahmat bought a roll of 70 meter wire for the fence. Okay. Now Ganpat, here stand is Ganpat. Ganpat say, I should also do the same for my field. What say Ganpat? I should also do the same for my field. Ganpat say, can you give me the wire that is left with you? I will use it for my field. गणपत क्या कहता है कि मैं भी मेरे फील्ड के आसपास ऐसे वायर से फेंस करूँगा. देन गणपत से क्या कहता है बाद में गणपत कि कैन यू गिव मी द वायर डेट इज लेफ्ट, जितना बचा है उतना वायर तो मुझे देगा, मैं उसको यूज़ करूँगा. ओके, कैन यू गिव मी द वायर डेट इज लेफ्ट विथ यू, आई विल यूज़ इट फॉर माई फील्ड. सो रामट से ओह श्योर वाई नॉट, हाँ मैं दूंगा आपको, क्यों नहीं. नाउ नेक्स्ट, how much wire did Rahmat give to Ganpat? Okay, how much wire did Rahmat give to Ganpat? Rahmat bought 70 meter wire. Rahmat bought 70 meter wire, and that is use of 54 meter. Okay, that is use of 54 meter. So what is the remaining wire? So 74 minus 70. That's 70 minus 54. 70 meter wire. Rahmat bought 70 meter wire. That 54 meter wire that is used. So that 70 minus 54, 0 minus 4 is not possible. So we have to borrow 10 to next number, and here we have to cut and write 6. 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 minus 5 is 1. So 16 meter wire is remaining, 16 meter wire is left remaining. Now Ganpat thanked Rahmat and started fencing his own field. गणपत ने रहमत को थैंक बोला और फेंसिंग करने का स्टार्ट किया. बट ही नीडेड फॉर गेट मोर वायर. सो हाउ लॉन्ग इज द बाउंड्री ऑफ गणपत फील्ड. Okay, now we have to see this boundary of the Ganpat field, how much. Okay, so that is the boundary of the Ganpat is the 9 meter. So here we have to write 9 meter, then 15 meter, so writing here 15 meter, then again 15 meter, so again we have to write plus 15 meter, then here 9 meter, so we have to write in here 9 meter, and then 18 meter. Okay, this is the Ganpat boundary. So we have to then next counting 9 meter first, then we have to take 15, so 15 meter, then again 15, so here we have to take 15, then 9, so we have to here add 9, and then 18, so we have to add here 18, so we have to now add 9 plus 15 plus 15 plus 9 plus 18. Okay, 9 plus 5 means 14, 14 plus 5 means 19, 19 plus 9 means 28, and 28 plus 8 means 36. So 6 will put in here, and 3 is our carry. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and plus 1 is 6. So 66 meter. Ganpat boundary is 66 meter. Okay, so how long is the boundary of the Ganpat field? Ganpat field 66 meter. Okay, Ganpat boundary is the 66 meter. How much more wire will Ganpat need for his field? So 66 meter that Rahmat gave that wire is 16 meter. So 66 meter that we have to minus 16 meter. Okay, so how much? 66 minus 16. So how much? 6 minus 6 is 0, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So 50 meter wire that Ganpat wants. So how much more wire will Ganpat need for this field? 50 meter. So children, this activity you have to write in your textbook. I will send this PDF. Thank you. Thank you, children.